The best way to reverse hair loss is not to create more tension at the edges. You are creating more tension and it's going to create more hair loss and traction alopecia, which means premature baldness from tight extensions and tight hairstyles. We want to avoid things like this in our community because this causes a lot of baldness. So this is so unnecessary. Let's try to do away with this tight braids and tight weaves and tight extensions because it's causing us more hair loss. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.